Okay, finally got my window in off of eBay for the side here because it was busted out. Oh, what a chore getting this side panel off in here. That panel right there is a pain. You gotta take this trim piece off up here above the door. You gotta discombobulate this stuff back here. You got to take this bottom piece off. It's just a couple bolts, 7/16 bolts, and then the rest is just a Phillips. But yeah, what a pain in the butt. It does have one deal here where you got to get in there with the little popper deal right in here and pop this off. You got to take the little screw loose that holds the thing there. Goes right there. Yeah, hardest part of this whole window replacement job so far was getting this panel off, which I'm sure it's going to be a pain in the ass to get back on. And then it's just 2 bolts right here on the window, and then you got 1 screw that holds the top of the window right there, which screws in right there. So anyway, I'm going to get the rest of the glass out of down there with the vacuum. Get that window put in so I feel a little bit more secure when I go somewhere and I can actually lock the car up and not worry about people getting in there. And I gotta clean all this tape off of here because that looks like crap. But anyways, that's what I'm doing. Me and the boy. Oh, you caught up on the car? You gotta come around this way, bud. Come around this way, bud. There you go. There you go. Now you're unstuck. You always get stuck on stuff out here, don't you? I love these, man. These are just so cool looking. I love the front end of this car. It just looks tough. You gotta love that. Gotta love that. I gotta get my emblem for the headlight cover. Fix some rust and whatnot, but anyway, I'm gonna get this window in. And the window is in. I almost thought I was gonna break it, tightening up the 1 bolt so I could hear stuff cracking. I was like, oh shit. But yeah, this panel isn't quite in where it's supposed to be, but it's in enough for now. So as you can see, it doesn't quite line up right there like it's supposed to, as it does over there. But like I said, it is what it is. I don't have a broken window there anymore. Yeah. Now she don't look ghetto, now she looks pimp like she's supposed to. Much better. Much better. Scope it. Old school Monte Carlo. Yeah, I'd take it.